Jicama looks like a potato but tastes nothing like one. This crunchy, slightly sweet root vegetable is loaded with nutrients, and today we're breaking down its real health benefits, nutrition facts, and the side effects nobody talks about. Loaded with fiber. Jicama is one of the richest natural sources of dietary fiber you can eat. A single cup provides nearly a quarter of your daily fiber needs, most of it coming from inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. This fiber also slows digestion, keeping you fuller for longer and helping regulate blood sugar levels after meals. Supports heart health. The combination of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in Jicama makes it a genuinely heart-friendly food. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, which can ease pressure on blood vessel walls, while soluble fiber helps lower LDL cholesterol. Regularly including Jicama in your diet may contribute to better long-term cardiovascular health. Great for weight management. Jicama is extremely low in calories, with a single cup containing less than 50 calories, yet it still delivers a satisfying crunch and volume to meals. Because it's high in fiber and mostly water, it helps you feel full without adding extra calories, making it an easy swap for higher calorie snacks like chips or crackers. Boosts immune function. This root vegetable is surprisingly rich in vitamin C, offering close to half your daily requirement in just one cup. Vitamin C plays a major role in strengthening the immune system, protecting cells from oxidative stress, and supporting collagen production for healthy skin and tissue repair. Promotes gut health. Beyond fiber, Jicama's inulin content acts as a prebiotic, meaning it directly nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. A healthier gut microbiome has been linked to improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and even enhanced mood regulation, making Jicama a simple addition with far-reaching benefits. Nutritional breakdown. A typical 1-cup serving of raw Jicama contains roughly 49 calories, 6 grams of fiber, 1 gram of protein, and virtually no fat. It also supplies notable amounts of vitamin C, potassium, folate, iron, and magnesium, making it a nutrient-dense choice for anyone looking to eat clean without sacrificing flavor or texture. Possible side effects. While the flesh of Jicama is safe and healthy to eat, the skin, leaves, and seeds contain a natural compound called rotenone, which is toxic if consumed. Always peel Jicama thoroughly before eating. Additionally, its high fiber content, while beneficial, may cause bloating or digestive discomfort if eaten in large amounts too quickly. So there you have it. Jicama is crunchy, low in calories, and packed with fiber and vitamin C. But always remember to peel it properly before enjoying. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and let us know in the comments if Jicama is already part of your diet.